Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. And it's a happy Tuesday morning. Blessings to everyone on this Tuesday morning here. And thank you Father God, we also have life. And we're gonna jump in at real quick for everybody today. So as you can see what's happening here, this is something I'm introducing to. I'm not necessarily introducing it, I'm bringing it to my people. All right, I have two friends who basically is going through this process right now, and they're getting feedbacks from the companies overseas, and they've pretty much started their process to be enrolled in a job for 2023 overseas. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get enrolled with this, how to sign up, how to submit your information, application and so on, and then hopefully you'll be on your path to a job overseas in the United States or in Canada, people. And this is for persons who are interested. If you're not, I do have other videos, other vlogs that you can go ahead and check out. All right, and I'm gonna get in it real quick, people, and show you how you can get on your path in terms of applying for a job in the United States or in Canada. All right, and people, I'm going to show you the website. There are a lot of options, a lot of things on there. So when you have the time, please go through and apply for as much jobs as you want to apply for. You understand? I wouldn't recommend anybody just going on and applying for like one job. People go all over the place. Apply for a bag of job. Apply for every job if you are qualified for that. All right, and then you don't know, say the more you put in, the more your chances would be in terms of someone reaching out to you. You understand? Remember, people, is the whole world where I push this out to, so you have to push in enough so them can reach out to you. So please stay on and let's go through the application process, people. All right, my people, so as you can see right now on the screen, they're displaying the names of the different companies that you can actually land a job with, and you're seeing some big names: JP Morgan, Uber, Walmart, and so on. So if you just follow through right there, and it's showing you Amazon is listed there as well, Amazon in the United States. And remember, I tell the people, it's not just the United States, also Canada. And if you scroll on further down, it shows you exactly what they're looking for, and they're telling you that any nationality can apply. You can see that. So all my people that is in a different country, you don't necessarily have to be in Jamaica to apply for this. All right, and we're gonna get down into the details in terms of how you can apply. And see there, this Meta right there, it's Facebook. That's a new name for Facebook if anyone doesn't know. And you can apply, people. Apply if you want better for you and your family. Come to this website and apply. Oh, and let me tell you, people, the link for the website will be in the description of this video. All right, so the link will be in the description, and you guys can select on it, and it will take you to this very page that we are on right now. All right, and we're gonna get into it a bit detail. So you can click on any job that you want to click on from there. And you see I clicked on to go over into Canada. All right, so it says apply for any job here in Canada, and then when you click on that, people, and you scroll on through, it will show you the list of jobs that is available in Canada right now for you to get enrolled for 2023. All right, and you can just scroll on down with me, and you'll see it. You can even begin your pilot career today. You understand? And people, it doesn't take a whole lot. It just takes you going on the website, putting yourself out there, sending through an application. Who knows? And this is the list of company right there you're seeing in Canada that has jobs readily available. And people, I'm gonna tell you this, I submitted applications to a lot of them. So I'm not gonna put down Jamaican Chat, but because I can do it from anywhere in the world. So if I get the opportunity to go over there, then I will be doing Jamaican Chat while overseas as well. All right, so you can see the list of the company there, and I'm gonna just select on that one and submit a quick application for you. All right, so this is the ad, people. When you click on a link, you know that the website has to make money, so this is an ad that pops up, and you can pretty much just close that out, and it will show you the list of jobs that's available at this particular company that I selected on. And you can see people general labor, so janitor, machine operator. So people nobody feel like say you have to be doctor, nurse, teacher, lawyer for come get a job. No people, see that yard operations, elevator operator. Enough ways there for uplift yourself, people. And it just maybe the job not sound like it's an uplifting title, but I can bet you say when you not get paid in a first world dollars, we not gonna feel very uplifting about that. Yeah man, when you send back 1 Canadian or 1 US come back a yard in a Jamaica, people am alright. $150 to $1. Alright people, so you see I went further on and selected, and you're now gonna see the details of the job. And they're gonna show you that it's a full-time job. They're gonna show you the location, show you what the job entails, and so on, the details of the job pretty much. And then yeah, you can scroll on down, see the skills, everything. It tells you what they're looking for. It would be just like if you're on Caribbean Jobs or one of those websites. Alright, this is just on a larger scale to reach out to the rest of the world, people. Alright, so yeah, you can scroll on through, go through. Once you're okay with what you're seeing, then you can hit that apply button. Alright, and after hitting apply, it will take you over here. And people, this is just the one for Canada that I'm going through really quick so y'all can get an understanding. Alright, so yeah, I lingered on the screen a bit so y'all can get the full understanding. I never wanted to just do some quick thing moving through so people can understand. And that's the submit application button there, but I'm gonna go back up so y'all can get a better understanding of it. Alright, so yeah, so pretty much you just answer those questions. Do you have any experience in the job that you're applying for? And you can be honest, people. You can tell them no, or if you do, you can tell them yes. Alright, and the application process, it does entail more because it will ask you to attach a resume if you do have one. And you see right there it asks you for your name, and I'm just gonna quickly fill in some fictitious name. Alright, so we're Jamaican, so we normally use things like Tom Jones and names like that, Billy Bob. So we're gonna just put in Tom Jones here. And people, you can say I am doing it from a smartphone. And I know that this would be like where persons access the internet from mostly in the 21st century, a smartphone rather than a computer. So I decided to do it in this format to show you. So of course, if you do it on a computer, it can look slightly different than what we're seeing right now. All right, so you can see right there, putting in the information. All right, so and after you've gotten all the details in, people, you can basically just select the done option, scroll on down, review everything, ensure that everything is what you want it to be. And once you are okay with the information that you have entered, you can go ahead and hit submit. All right, and when you hit submit, they're going to send you back a confirmation email to your personal email and so on, letting you know that we've received your application and we will be working on it and we'll be contacting you for future purposes. And just to let you guys know, this is an opportunity that's going to be readily available in 2023, right? So please don't get flustered, don't get worked up, don't get tired of waiting. You know, we're Jamaican, we have to wait long for things, people. So just shove through an application and just pray to Father God from there, sir. God will always come through for him, people. Them. Alright, people. So yeah, I just did one showing this in terms of applying for jobs overseas. And you don't know, this is Jamaican Chat, so you can get the information out in terms of sharing it, sharing this video, sharing everything to your friends, to your family. Yeah, anybody that you know is in a spot, and if you look right there, people, you can apply with Indeed. So to make the process easier, you don't have to fill out your information over and over again. You can go on Indeed.com and then create a profile there, and then you see that here is linked to Indeed, so you can just always pull your information over from Indeed automatically on this platform here, and then submit, and then hopefully you'll get through right there. All right, my people. So I definitely wanted to get this out, and then people, this is just one of the jobs. You can go back, scroll through the website, and look for another job and apply all over again. As I say, go crazy with the job applications, people. Send out a lot. You must get feedback from at least one of them. All right, and then that feedback does entail sponsoring you. Let's not forget that, people, the most important thing is these people will be sponsoring you to go overseas. All right, they will be applying for the different work permits, and you don't know when you get the work permit from them. The only thing you need to do is go to the embassy, submit that, and you're good as gone in terms of that job right there. All right, my people, this is where I am gonna jump off for the rest of the day, people. All right, and may I beg everybody, just like, share, subscribe to Jamaican Chat, people. We are really trying to get our channel out there, so people, and we mix it up with versatile education, entertainment, everything. So please like, share, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. Thank you.